Abba Kyari that did so many things. Abba Kyari, the evil capture with drug. Abba Kyari that buy people for Southeast. Abba Kyari today is a free person. What of Showore that called for revelation is a free person? What of Ndigbo that called to separate Yoruba, so Yoruba nation is a free person? Ndigbo, what is our problem? What position that can never give to you, you are looking for in Nigeria? Ndigbo, why? When are you people going to realize that Nigeria is not for you? When little thing happen, they will use you to kill our youth, to reduce our population. Because you live in Lagos, you manage to get a house in Lagos, you think that this life is over. What joy will you get when your home is more beautiful than where you are living? I mean your villages. Ndigbo, you people should wake up. You people should wake up from this sleeping. I use this thing that happened in Aba to know that most of us do not think proper. I know that most of the Igbos are not reasonable. And I use this thing that happened in Aba to know that most of the Igbos, you see everybody rushing, coming out, condemning it. I don't say you condemning, I don't have problem with you condemning it. But this same Nigerian army is being buyed every day for naught. Have you seen any northern leaders come outside to say this or that? Have you seen them, even some self, they know if they will seal it, unless the one that people manage to video or the one that has an escalate to come to the public. You don't even hear it at all. Abba Kyari today is a free person, and then Ndigbo is still in DSS detention. And it's most of you people are holding Ndigbo in that place, and you think that Ndigbo, even these nonsense people are doing, do you think that praising Ndigbo will bring peace in Ndigbo? Everything will get worse. If you people don't know, if you don't read what is happening, read it right now and see what is happening. If Ndigbo ever jailed in Nigeria, everything is going to be worse. It's not me that will do it though, but just see things that are happening now will tell you when they say today we send, things will get worse. And that time you will speak that your big grammar. Ndigbo, oh God. I want you to watch this video. Coming to this our northern brother, Igala to be precisely. He said something that in Nigeria, if Nigeria don't want Igbos to have sense of belongings, let them allow them to go. And it's something that you people, other people, when they come outside to talk for your own good, when I go to the comment section, I see our Igbo brothers criticizing this guy, saying Ndigbo should buy there, Ndigbo should stay there. Our own Igbo brothers are the one who is criticizing this our brother that said this thing. I want you to watch the video and hear what this our brother talk for this video.
The way and manner that Nigerians are going about their daily activities, forgetting about the unrest that is presently happening in the southeastern part of this country, is alarming. I'm Dr. Gideon Issa, and I'm a concerned Nigerian. Now, I want to bring to the notice of the president that this country, Nigeria, is divided into its geopolitical zones. And I know that most politicians only remember geopolitical zones only during campaign and election. But I want to bring to the table of Mr. President that the southeastern part of this country is still part of Nigeria. Backstory: about some month ago, or about a year ago, Mazi Nnamdi was arrested, and since then, what was the cause of his arrest? He is the head of the indigenous people of Biafra that are agitating for the Biafra Republic. Why are they agitating? They are agitating for Biafra Republic because they feel that they have been sidelined for too long in this country. When for the past, since 1999, I think apart from SSG being given to Ayim Pius Ayim, I don't think a very, very important position have been given to an Easterner. Nigeria is treating the Southeasterner like a man that is married to 3 wives, is not giving attention to the 3rd wife, and is not letting the wife to go. Nigeria is like a toxic husband to the side Easterner. Okay, this person, Nigeria is like a country that is married to the West, to the Yoruba, the Igbo and the Europe and the Igbos. Now, the two other wives are receiving attention, which is the Hausa and the Yoruba. The Southeasterner, which is the third wife, is not receiving attention. And she's saying, divorce me, let me go. They don't want to divorce her and they don't want to give her attention. And that is the cause of all this agitation that is going on in the Southeast. Okay, instead of calling the leader of the agitation group to a round table to say, okay, come, what do you think we can do for this country to move forward, for us to stay united? About some years ago, in the early 60s, people like General Ojukwu have tried, Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu have tried to get this freedom, and after 60 something years later, we are still here, still talking about this same freedom, and the main reason that they were agitating that time. As we speak, on Mondays in the Southeast, they don't open bank, they don't open mall, they don't go about their daily businesses. Why? Because their brother that is agitating for them to have become a republic on their own, since the Nigeria government is not including them in the modus operandi of the country, is still in detention, and nobody is talking about it. The president gave his inaugural speech on the 29th of May this year, and he didn't say anything about it. I was thinking that yesterday, that is October 1st, he was going to mention the insecurity that is going on in the Southeast, and he didn't say anything about it. If these people are no longer part of this country, they should let them go, and they should let us know, because a particular region cannot be shut down on Monday, that's the first day of the week, and everybody is doing as if they are not aware. Now to Mr. President, my advice is, can you please call a dialogue? Invite Nnamdi Kanu to the presidency. Sit him down and hear from him. These people are our brothers. And don't forget that they are one part of this country that God has blessed them with a creative power. When you go to the Nnewi, you will see our brothers from the Southeast without a university result, running businesses that is running into billions. The likes of Shisco, the likes of Shikasin, the likes of Innocent. These are people that didn't go to the four walls of the university, but they are employing Harvard graduates and paying them millions every month. This is called creative power. They don't buy that one in the market. God gave it to them. Have you ever imagined calling these people to a round table, say, how are you people doing this thing? How are you able to manage a business from scratch till it will run into billions of naira business and empire without going to the university? How are you able to do this? It is a creative power. Instead of us pretending that we don't know, I want the international community to be aware that the Southeasterners, they are feeling like an orphan in their own motherland. And I want it to be on record that a day like this came, I spoke and I lent my voice that Nigeria should give attention to Southeast. They are our brothers. Don't think I'm saying this because I'm an Igbo. I'm not an Igbo. My name is Gideon Issa. I'm from the north central part of this country, which is Kogi State and Igala by tribe. But I want everyone to know that we are no longer on that table of ethnicity that will be divided across land. We'll never allow politicians to divide us. I want everybody to know. I want the international community to know. I want the United Nations to know. I want World Health Organization to know. I want all government parastatals. I want the president of the US to know that the Ndigbos have been sidelined for long. They are part of this country. They are our brothers. That attention must be given to them. That sit at home is dealing with their economy. It must be addressed. It must be addressed. The largest market in West Africa is in Southeast there. And nobody is giving it attention. So if anybody will not give it attention, we will give it attention. That sit at home must to end, and they must to be called to dialogue. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu must be given attention, and he must be given his freedom, because I don't know why he will still be in detention till now. I think he was in detention even before DCP Abba Kyari that was caught with cocaine, and DCP has been released. And now Nnamdi Kanu is still in detention till today. So I'm calling on the president and all well-meaning Nigeria that let proper consideration be made. As I am making this video now, if there is no proper attention given to the Ndigbos in the next 30 days, I will be on all national TV in Nigeria to hear my voice. I will be on channels Arise and all national TV, and until this issue is being given attention, we will not rest. Anywhere you are watching, I would like you to make sure you share this video and let it get to international communities for them to know that the Ndigbos are calling for attention, and they must be given attention because it is their right. Thank you very much. See you on another episode.
My wonderful people, please share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section as it dey hot.